Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're kicking off a mission that combines your creativity with a really powerful cause. We're going to map out exactly how to build a website that gives a voice to the world's endangered animals.
So let me just ask you this straight up. Are you ready to use your skills for the planet? Because by the end of this, you're going to have a complete toolkit to do exactly that.
Okay, let's dive right in. Our mission, should you choose to accept it, is to become an animal ally, which is really just a cool way of saying a digital advocate for wildlife conservation.
You know, the reality is pretty stark. Countless endangered species are fighting for survival, and they can't exactly post on social media to ask for help. That's where you come in. You have the power to become their champion online, to tell their stories, and to rally support. All right, so every great mission needs a plan, right? And to make this one super achievable, we're not starting from a blank page. We've got a clear, simple, and really powerful 5-page structure that's going to be our blueprint.
And here it is, your 5 epic pages. You'll start with a high-impact homepage to really grab people's attention. Then a habitats page to show where these animals actually live. After that, an animal stars page to put a face to the cause. You know, think tigers, elephants, or maybe even some amazing species people don't know about. Next, the threats page to clearly explain the dangers they face. And finally, and this is the most crucial one, the how to help page. This is where you turn visitors into actual allies.
Now, I know what you might be thinking, but wait, I don't know how to build a website. Don't even worry about it. We have the perfect tool for the job. We're going to be using Canva, which makes the whole process incredibly easy and, honestly, a lot of fun. Getting started is actually the easiest part. Once you're in Canva, just look for the Create a Design button. Click on that, and from the menu that pops up, select Website. And just like that, you've laid the foundation for your entire project. Seriously, it's that simple. So, we have our plan and we have our tool. But what about the content? To fill out that all-important How to Help page with real, impactful ideas, we're going to draw some inspiration from a truly world-class organization. Let's take a look at the incredible work of the Aga Khan Development Network, or AKDN for short. They're a fantastic example of large-scale, super effective environmental action, and their approach gives us a perfect model for the kinds of solutions we can feature on our own websites.
See, at the very heart of the AKDN's philosophy is this core principle, responsible stewardship. This isn't just about short-term fixes. It's a whole ethic of managing our planet's resources so that future generations can also thrive. It's a really powerful idea to anchor your How to Help page.
And the scale of their action is just staggering. We're not talking about a small number here. We're talking 9.8 million trees planted in a single year just to restore vital habitats. This is what dedicated, large-scale restoration looks like. And it's a tangible, inspiring fact you can share on your website. And this commitment, it comes from the very top. This quote from His Highness the Aga Khan frames the climate emergency as humanity's single greatest challenge. It adds a sense of gravity and urgency that can really motivate your visitors to take action.
And here's the thing, they don't do this incredible work alone. A key part of their strategy is collaboration. The AKDN actually partners with the Earthshot Prize, an initiative founded by Prince William, to actively find, fund, and scale up innovative solutions to our planet's biggest environmental problems. This partnership focuses on 5 clear, ambitious goals. I mean, look at this list. From restoring nature on land to reviving our oceans. This comprehensive approach shows that helping animals is deeply connected to healing the entire planet. These goals are perfect for structuring the How to Help section of your site.
So let's bring all of this back to you and your mission. We've covered the why, the what, and the how. It's time to get ready to launch your impact into the world. Just think about it. You now have the 5-page blueprint for a compelling website. You have a simple yet powerful tool in Canva, and you have real-world inspiration from the amazing work of the AKDN. You are fully equipped and absolutely ready to start building. You now have everything you need to be a voice for the voiceless, a champion for the wild. So the only question left is, whose story will you tell first?